Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to assemble a two-tier dessert stand. It comes with three parts: the rods, the lower tier and the upper tier. Screw the center rod into the lower tier. Place the white metal over the rod. Place the second tier on it and screw the top part, and that's it, you're done. It looks really good. Arrange your desserts, whether cakes, cookies, or macarons. It can be used for birthdays, baby shower, weddings, or any occasion. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Please share this video and hit the like button. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.